Welcome to another Form Tyson DocuSign video. In this video I will show you how to display and track API submissions usage in Titan DocuSign under account settings. So obviously you want to be mindful of how many APIs you're consuming, and it's definitely worth tracking, so I'll show you where to do this. So when you're in your dashboard, you can click on your avatar top right, My Account, and here under Profile tab you will see API calls. So as you can see here, I've currently used 4 API calls and I have 100 available. So I have 100 available, 4 APIs used. Let me show you how this counter increases just by a simple example. Here in DocuSign, I'm going to go ahead and insert my agreement. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and insert some fields here. So let's get a text box like this, and then we'll just make this and then plant it over here, this one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. And then finally we'll get a signature field and we'll move this one over here like this. And then I'm just going to go ahead and simply tag my field, and we'll call this first name, last name, email, mobile, and this one's going to be signature. Next, I'm going to give this document an access, but access is just going to be public. And then finally, I'm going to push to Salesforce. This is where the API calls come in. So we'll add object, we'll create contact, and then we'll go ahead and map some fields. So we'll do last name, first name, email, and then mobile, just like that. And then we'll also add a child object. So we'll push this as a file directly in when the contact's created. So we'll set mapping, title, we'll call it other, we'll just call it contract demo. And then version data is going to be your document. And then I think the first published location ID is automatically mapped. There it is, contact. So there we go. So we've set up a push for us. This is what it looks like. Parent and child. Click apply. Save, and then let's publish. So let's do that. So here's my document. Obviously right now the count is at 4. Okay, so I'll refresh again just to show you. The count is at 4. If I hover over it, you can look at the tooltip. 4. So now let's go ahead and submit this document here. So let's do API, blogs, API at blogs.com, and we'll just give them a random number. We'll go ahead and sign it. Like this. Once I do that, I'll go ahead and finish sign. Now once this document is submitted, there are a couple of things I'd like you to look at. First of all, if I refresh this now, you can see that the API count has gone up by 1. So it used to be 4, now it's 5, because we just pushed that to Salesforce. So that's where the API count will go up every time you submit or read data from Salesforce. Now if I look here, there's my contact that's just been created. Let's have a look. There it is. There's my contact that's just been created. There's my contract that's just been signed. And that's how it's done. So simply to track it, you will click on My Account. And then under Profile, you'll be able to track your submissions and API calls and see the counter as per the API calls you have. And this is how it's done. Super simple to track. It's how you do it.